Today we are going to see the topic recent trends or advances in embedded systems. In olden days, people was thinking that embedded system was only done by few specialists because most of the embedded softwares were written only in assembly languages. Programming, debugging and maintaining the code were very difficult and time consuming. But nowadays, many advances came in the field of embedded systems. Due to the huge availability of powerful processors and advanced development tools, presently the embedded software development is no longer a rocket science. The various trends or advances in the field of embedded systems are there are various advances in the field: the processor power, memory, operating systems, communication interfaces and networking capability, programming languages, development tools, and as well as the programmable hardware in all the fields nowadays. The trends are improved. The first trend is in the power of the processors. The importance of embedded systems is growing by the availability of powerful embedded processors. So many varieties of processors are available from various semiconductor vendors. In order to cater the different market segments, processors and controllers with various bits like 8, 16, 32 and 64 bits are available nowadays. Microprocessors and controllers, clock speed and memory addressing capabilities are also increasing. For real-time analysis of audio and video signals, very powerful DSP processors are also available presently. Because of the powerful processors, the power of the desktop computers is now available in palm tops. The second advances are in the field of memory. Memory chips cost is reducing day by day. By incorporating the additional features like network protocol and graphical user interfaces, the embedded systems become functionally rich. In olden days, the high cost of memory chips discouraged the developers from porting an operating system to the target hardware. Presently, the cost of the memory chips are reduced. Because of that, the porting an operating system is no longer an issue. Wristwatches with embedded Linux operating systems are also available nowadays. The third trend in the field of operating systems. Operating systems for the desktops are limited. Mostly, Windows are used as an operating system for desktop, but embedded systems uses varieties of operating systems. The software development using embedded operating system will be very fast and maintaining the code is very easy. Embedded software can be developed using high-level languages like C. For real-time performance, real-time operating systems are used. Other than the commercial real-time operating system, open source real-time operating systems are also available nowadays. The main attraction of the open source software is it is completely free and the complete source code is available to customize the software as per our application needs. So, the time to market the embedded system is also getting reduced. The fourth advances is in the field of communication interfaces and networking facility. With the availability of low-cost integrated circuits and memory, the embedded systems can be designed with networking capability through communication interfaces such as Ethernet, 802.11 wireless LAN, and infrared. Embedded systems with network-enabled facility has many advantages. The first advantage is it can be accessed over a network for remote control or monitoring. The second advantage is upgrading the embedded software is very easy. Suppose if new version is available means it is uploaded or upgraded through the network interface. Due to the enhanced memory capabilities of the embedded systems, the various protocols like TCP/IP protocols, stack and HTTP server software can be ported onto the system, and such embedded systems can be accessed over the internet from anywhere on the earth. The next advances or trends is in the availability of various programming languages. Initially, the development of embedded software was done mostly in assembly languages, but due to the availability of cross compilers, most of the embedded development is now done using high level languages like C and object oriented languages like C++ and Java. The main attraction of Java is its platform independence. Many exciting applications are possible by having a Java virtual machine in an embedded system. To enable the embedded system, we can download the Java applets from a server and execute them. Microsoft company's embedded visual tools can be used for development of embedded software applications. People with experience in the Microsoft Visual Studio can become embedded software developer with very little training. The next advances is in the availability of various development tools. Because of the availability of various tools for the development, debugging, testing and modeling of an embedded systems are used for fast development of robust and reliable embedded systems. The various development tools are MATLAB and Simulink. Tools are used to model an embedded systems and to generate the code to reduce the development time. The binary runtime environment for wireless, that is BREW, Java to Macro Edition J2ME, and wireless application protocol WAP are used to facilitate the easy development of applications, especially for the mobile based devices. The entire application can be developed and tested on desktop computer, and they can be deployed in the embedded field. The last trend is in the availability of varieties of programmable hardware. The number of components in an embedded systems are getting reduced due to the availability of programmable logic devices and field programmable gate arrays, which leads to the portable and low cost embedded systems. After developing the prototype of an embedded systems, an FPGA can be developed for mass production, which has all the functionalities of processors, peripherals, as well as the application specific circuitry. System on chip SoC reflects the current embedded development in programmable hardware, which is a single chip used in the embedded systems.